Okay, so this is my fourth video of three-dimensional geometry. So three-dimensional geometry, fourth lecture. So here basically we will be taking some questions related to plane. Okay, so defined some uh, I defined the concept of plane in the third video, and we'll be taking some questions so that you get a better idea on how to solve questions related to plane. Okay, so suppose we are solving this question. So I write this: find the equation of plane. Find the equation of plane which is at a distance of find the equation of plane which is at a distance of 4 by root 14 from the origin, which is at a distance of 4 by root 14 from the origin, and is normal to vector 2 I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap. So we have this question. Now we need to solve this. Okay. Find the equation of a plane which is at a distance of 4 by root 14 from the origin and is normal to vector 2 I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap. So we have the plane like this. We have the origin. Now the perpendicular distance, if we drop a perpendicular from O, suppose that perpendicular meets the plane at P. So length OP is equal to 4 by root 14. And this normal vector is 2 I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap. Therefore, we can say direction ratios of the normal to the plane is 2, 1 and minus 3. Direction ratios of normal to the plane is 2, 1 and minus 3. Okay. So now in this case, uh, we can find the unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane like this: 2 I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap divided by the magnitude of this vector. Magnitude of this vector is 4 plus 1 plus 9. So this becomes 2 I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap divided by root 14. So this is the unit vector perpendicular to the plane: 2 I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap divided by root 14. Okay, so now we can write the equation of the plane like this: r vector dot n cap is equal to d. Okay, so here n cap is the unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane. Okay, n cap is the unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane, and d is the distance of origin from the plane. So if this point is O and we have the foot of perpendicular as P, so the perpendicular distance of plane from origin is D. Okay, so which means we can write this equation as r vector dot n cap. I can write 2 I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap divided by root 14 is equal to D, and perpendicular distance D is equal to 4 by root 14. So root 14 will get cancelled, and then r vector we can write as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap if we want to write in Cartesian form. So r vector we can write as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. So this becomes 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 4. So we can write the equation of plane like this: 2x plus y minus 3z is equal to 4. Okay, so this was how to find the equation of plane uh, when its distance from origin is given. Okay, so let's clear everything. Let's come to the next question. So next question, uh, find the this question is find the unit vector find the unit vector perpendicular to the plane. Find the unit vector perpendicular to the plane, and the equation of plane is given: r vector dot 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap is equal to 5. Okay, so we have to find the unit vector which is perpendicular to this plane, and the equation of the plane is given to us: r vector dot 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap is equal to 5. So we can solve this equation like this: whichever vector is taken dot product with r vector, that is the vector normal to the plane. Okay, so we know that vector normal to the given plane will be 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. So this is n vector. Vector normal to the given plane is the vector with which dot product of r is taken. So vector normal to the plane is 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap. But we are interested in finding the unit vector. So we can say that unit vector n cap is equal to n vector divided by magnitude of n. So n vector is 2 I cap plus j cap plus 2k cap divided by magnitude of vector n, which is 3. So this will be the unit vector which is perpendicular to the given plane. This is the unit vector which is perpendicular. 3, how do we get 3? We get 3 like this: square root of coefficient of I ka square. So 2 square is 4. Coefficient of j square 1. And then coefficient of k cap 2 square. So this becomes root of 9. And root of 9 is nothing but 3. So that is why the magnitude of vector n is 3. And in order to make it a unit vector, we need to divide vector n by magnitude of n. So that is why I have divided vector n by magnitude of n, which is 3. Okay, so this was second question. Now we proceed ahead and we come to question number 3. So next question. So next question is find the distance find the distance sorry find the distance of the plane. Find the distance of the plane 2x minus y minus 2z minus 9 is equal to 0 from the origin. Okay, so we are given the equation of the plane. We are given the equation of the plane 2x minus 2y minus 2z. So the equation of the plane is 2x minus 2y minus 2z is equal to 9. So we are given this equation and we need to find its distance from the origin. So we can write this equation like this: xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, and then dot product with 2I cap minus j cap minus 2k cap is equal to 9. So this vector, I can say that this is r vector, this is dot n vector. So see, n is a unit vector, so we must divide this vector by 3, because the magnitude of this vector is 3. So if we are dividing the left hand side by 3, we have to divide the right hand side by also 3. So r vector dot n cap is equal to d. And now if we compare, so r vector becomes this equation, this vector xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, and n cap is nothing but this vector 2I cap minus j cap minus 2k cap divided by 3. So therefore on the right hand side you get d is equal to 9 by 3, which is 3. Therefore the distance from origin, perpendicular distance of the plane from origin will be equal to 3. So answer for this question is 3. Right? Always remember, once you identify the vector which is normal to the plane, we need to divide the vector by its magnitude to make it a unit vector. So 2i cap minus j cap minus 2k cap is a vector normal to the plane. But to make it a unit vector, we need to divide it by its magnitude, which is 3. So that is why we divide by 3. And since we divide by 3 on the left hand side, we have to divide by 3 on the right hand side also. And therefore d becomes 9 by 3, which is 3. So 3 is the answer for this question. Okay. So I think you understood how we are solving questions on plane, and then uh, hopefully you understood, and then we'll be taking more examples in the upcoming Zoom lectures also. Okay, so thank you.